Have you ever thought of what opportunities could present themselves by getting the equipment and training for welding aluminum? We're going to find out what those opportunities are next. The new skills technicians will have to acquire to repair vehicles due to exotic materials can open doors for new customers and services. People love their toys, and those toys suffer the same mishaps and collisions as cars do. Many boat repairs are similar to the plastic repair procedures we currently use. In a market where hours are controlled by other sources, a straight-time project could be a profitable relief to technicians and shops. But boats are just one of the toys to consider. We know many minor mishaps on RVs can also be handled. By demonstrating the ability to repair more than just vehicles, your shop becomes a staple to many communities for a variety of jobs. The equipment needed for change on the automotive side is also the best to use for other types of repairs. One shop bought a spot welder recommended by an OE for aluminum repair. A friend of the owners found out, and just by that word of mouth, people from all over were asking how much he would charge to do some welding repair on their aluminum horse trailers. Many trailer repair companies are overwhelmed, and it can take weeks to get a trailer in for repair. Knowing the type of aluminum and what gauge he will be welding helps him obtain the correct wire and repair the damage on the trailer. It's normally less than an hour's worth of work, as much as it is reattaching a hinge or welding a crack. He has a whole new service to provide, and he sets the labor and prices. To top it all off, the majority is a cash sale. What about John Doe, who buys a new Ranger fishing boat for more than $75,000? Mr. Doe hitches up his new boat and is off to the lake. He stops just shy of the landing to wait his turn, and you guessed it, he releases the winch lock for the boat, and off the trailer the boat goes. The damage to the transom and engine is $35,000, and the boat has never been in the water yet. The sporting goods store where he purchased the boat suggested he try the body shop down the road. After doing some research, the shop agrees the repair can be done. They have all the equipment needed, and ordering materials and parts is similar to any vehicle. There are some similarities in repair procedures between the boat and an aluminum truck, so a technician with a certain skill set and equipment can handle it. Many of the repairs on the Alumacraft boats are $6,000 to $8,000 with a quick cycle time. How do you get your team to approach something new? Approaching change as positive is key. Research equipment, make some calls, and make a decision. Then get moving on training. Let your techs know they're the best, and you want to be sure they stay the best. Let them know they're worth the investment in training. With some positive reinforcement and some good coaching, a shop can make change a good thing. Pride in work makes a shop the top shop to work for and represent. This opens doors for you and builds customers for life. The diversity of services that keep presenting themselves to us every day is amazing, so don't miss the boat. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.